Hello and welcome to Arrowhead Tactical Apparel. Today, I'm going to show you how to set up your new Enhanced Rapid Clasp retention belt in our clothing so you can carry in comfort. Let's get started. Your Enhanced Rapid Clasp belt will come mostly assembled. The belt is designed to hold your size between wears, so it only has to be dialed in once. To adjust the size of the belt, feed the nylon webbing through the tension slide lock attached to the larger buckle. This tension lock is designed to be stiff. Set it once and it will hold your size. Apply as much force as needed to adjust the belt. Don't worry, you're not going to break it. This one's already set up for me, and I'm going to show you how I confirm fitment by wrapping the belt around my waist. You want to do this without much clothing underneath. The ideal fitment for the belt is slightly tight against your body. Not loose, not uncomfortably tight, slightly tight against your body. Use the elastic band attached to the belt to capture the slack, or cut off the excess on the inside if you'd prefer. Note that cutting off the excess is irreversible, so make sure you don't cut off more than you intend to remove. If you do cut it, carefully cauterize the end to prevent fraying. Now that the sizing is dialed in, let's install the belt. Unbuckle the Enhanced Rapid Clasp belt and remove the smaller buckle by pushing it toward the webbing as shown. Be careful as the clip has pointy retaining teeth which attach the buckle to the belt. You can set that aside for now. While wearing your pants and shorts, roll down the waistband to expose the internal belt loops. Point the exposed magnet on the larger buckle outward away from your body. In this orientation, thread the exposed end of the belt through the belt loops, just like you would thread any belt on any normal pair of pants. Never try to thread an attached buckle through the belt loops because it won't fit. Once fully threaded, reattach the removable buckle to the exposed end of the belt. Slide the belt into the buckle and close the hinge door on the belt to engage the retaining teeth into the belt, as shown. Give it a little pull just to make sure that it's nice and secure. Be sure that the orientation of the buckles line up so that they can latch together without twisting the belt. That is, magnet touching magnet. Next, you can roll your waistband back up. Latch the magnetic buckle together. Remember, the belt should be slightly tight, not loose, not uncomfortably tight. With that, you're ready to carry. So let's attach your inside the waistband holster. Most IWB holsters will clip directly to the inner belt for maximum concealment. Adjust the buckle placement inside the waistband based on where you want your holster to go. If you're right-handed, you're probably going to want to shift the buckle all the way to the left. Vice versa, if you have a holster with two clips, you may want them to straddle the buckle. You can add other waist-mounted accessories like magazine carriers if you so desire. Holsters with larger clips may attach over the belt and the waistband. This can be especially helpful for strong side carry positions. Now, you will also want to tie your drawstrings. You can use the drawstrings to adjust tension throughout the day without actually touching the belt. Okay, function check. Draw your unloaded weapon. The holster should remain attached. If the holster comes out, check to confirm that the holster clips are fully secured to the belt or the waistband. The belt should have minimal vertical movement, and the buckle should stay latched. If there is excess movement, the belt is probably too loose. Remove it, tighten the belt, and repeat. To remove your holster, simply pop the clips off the belt or the waistband. Once the belt is set up for you, it will hold its position. To take off the apparel, just unclasp the magnetic buckle. Before laundering the apparel, we recommend removing the belt. Simply remove the smaller buckle from the webbing, roll down the waistband, and pull out the belt from the end with the buckle attached. That's about it. Contact us at info@arrowheadtacticalapparel.com with any questions and enjoy your new Enhanced Rapid Clasp belt.